Hello! Welcome back to the Berdu channel. In this video, we will learn how to animate the content on your website with Berdu. So, in Berdu, you can animate content like text, images, videos, and more to beautify your website pages. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell as well. From your website's dashboard on Berdu, go to the Layout section. You can animate all content on custom pages, as well as the main page of the website. As you can see, this website page has many sections already included. There are text sections, images, buttons, group sections, etc. You can animate all sections here. So the way to do it is to first select the section you want to animate. For example, let's choose this text section. In this text section, I have already applied a highlight effect to this one word. We'll show you how to create highlights like these in another tutorial video. But what we want to animate is the movement of all the sentences here. The way to do this is to go to the Animation tab. Here you have several animation types, such as from the bottom, right, left, and from the top. You can adjust it to see which type suits your website best. Next, the duration setting. This duration setting is used to determine how long the animation lasts. The unit is in seconds, ranging from fast, which is 0.3 seconds, to slow, which is 2 seconds. Adjust it according to your needs. If it's not clear, you can click Replay to repeat the animation with the same settings. Next, let's talk about the size. This from size is to determine the animation content size from what percentage to the actual size, which is 100%. Let's illustrate it. For example, I'm setting it to 10%. So the text will move from bottom to top, with a size from small to large. I'll replay it. Now it looks like this. Next, I'll try to change the from size to 125% as an example. The text will move from bottom to top, with a size from large to small, like this. To make it clearer, I'll compare the differences side by side. Next, let's move on to the From distance. This is used to set the distance from where the animation will appear. The larger the number, the farther the distance. For example, I'll set the slider here, at the number 84, for instance. The animation movement looks like this. Let's replay it one more time. If I move the slider to the far right, the animation movement will look like this. The text will move from way down below and then up. I'll compare the differences side by side again to make it clearer. Let's move on to the opacity setting. Here, you have options from 100% to 0%. This opacity is used to set the transparency during the animation. The default here is 100%. So when the text moves from bottom to top, the text will always be visible. But if we change the opacity, for example from 0%, during the animation, the text will not be visible at first, but gradually it will become visible as the animation progresses. Please adjust the settings here according to your needs. Finally, let's talk about the trigger setting. Now, specifically for triggers, we will apply it to the section below. For the animation setting, let's click Done first. Then I'll apply the animation to this section, the image slide. Click Settings, go to Animation, and set the animation type, duration, size, and others, as I have explained earlier. Now let's go to the trigger setting. This trigger is used to set how the animation is triggered. There are 3 options here, which are top shown. This means that when the container of this text and image section starts to appear on the page, the animation will begin. For example, even though only the top part of the image slide section appears, the animation will start. But if we change it to all shown, when scrolling, the animation hasn't started yet because the container of the image slide section hasn't fully appeared. So if we scroll down further, then the animation will start. Similarly, if we choose 50%, It means that when the container of the section is halfway visible on the website page, the animation will begin. To make it clearer, I'll give a side-by-side comparison like this. When everything is finished, click Done, and don't forget to save. Now let's view the page. All right, the text animation has already appeared. When we scroll down, the animation from the image slide section has also appeared according to the settings we configured earlier. All right, we hope this video is helpful, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you!